Oh my god. This is so hot. It's so hot. Can't even explain what it feels like. It's like Satan went in me and now I can't even get him out of me. That's exactly how it feels eating that. Believe it or not, we finally got our hottest candy in the world. This is the hottest lollipop in the world. This is one of the hottest things ever. I'm not sure how I'm gonna be able to do this, but this is really hot by all means. It says the toe of Satan. This is the toe of Satan by all means. I saw a lot of people do the same challenge where they put the sucker in their mouth for 5 minutes or more, or maybe less. I'm not sure how long it takes them before they take it out of their mouth. But for me, I'm gonna attempt to stay for as long as 5 minutes or more, or maybe less. You never know, because this is really hot. This has 9 million Scoville units, as it says in here, of hellfire chili extract. So this is really hot. This is hot by all means. This is not a toy. This is not a game, guys. It looks nice. It looks like a candy, but it's not. It's actually really hot. I just got it from VAT 19. I'm not sure how this is gonna feel as soon as we do this, but it says consume at your own risk. So this must be something really tough. This is really hard. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to do it, but I'm gonna attempt, since I did try eating hot stuff before, such as the noodles or the andouille or the other stuff that I did where I sprayed hot sauce on my face as well. So let's open up and just get the challenge going. Alright, so there it goes, guys. It looks very nice. It looks like just something. I think you could easily prank someone with this too, because it looks like I don't know what to say. This looks just like a simple candy where anyone would actually eat. Doesn't look spicy or anything. So if I looked at it without looking at the box, I'd probably guess this is a strawberry flavored lollipop or something like that. Alright guys, so there it goes. Look at that toe of Satan. God forbid. I hope this is not real, because if that stuff goes in me, I better know what to do after. With that being said, let's get the challenge going. I'm gonna try to keep it in my mouth as long as possible. I'm gonna have a timer on the screen. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take me. I'm just gonna take it out as soon as I feel like I can't take it anymore. So let's find out. Oh my god. This is so hot. I must get some milk in me. Alright guys, it feels like Satan went in me. I can't take it anymore, oh my god. I'm not sure how long I lasted for. Alright guys, make sure to subscribe to me on YouTube, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Facebook. I'll see you next time. I need to get some more milk in me and I need to get some more yogurt in me as well.